Today I'm going to show you how to make tortillas from scratch. It's easy. First, you need maseca, corn, flour. Next, you need a tortilla press. You will need a measuring cup and a bowl for mixing. Let's get started. Fill the measuring cup with 2 cups of maseca. Fill another measuring cup with 12 ounces of water. Mix the maseca and water in a bowl. When you're done mixing, it forms a ball of dough. Now comes the fun part. Stuff a piece into a ball. Put the ball in the tortilla press. Now close the tortilla press. See, it's easy. With the help of the dot, put the tortilla on the griddle. Let each side cook for 30 seconds. When it's golden brown on both sides, you're done. Thank you for cooking tortillas with me. As always, go Gators.